Hey guys, it's Scott with another video. Anybody know what these are? I'm going to tell you what these are, what they do, and which one we're going to use for our project. Stay tuned. Has anybody guessed what these are yet? That's right, they're relays. Two different styles, same premise. This is a 12 volt, 20, 30 amp rated Bosch relay. 5 terminals, 85, 86, 30, 87A, and 87. Now if you energize this coil with 12 volts and ground, or 12 volts and ground, it doesn't matter, it's just a coil. You will, whatever you put into 30, ground, 12 volts, will come out 87 after you energize 85 and 86. In this state, like I'm holding it in my hand, 30 and 87A have continuity. Let me demonstrate. Continuity. So if I take my meter and I place one probe on 30 and the other probe on 87A, continuity. Now if I was to energize this relay, I would no longer have continuity here, I would have continuity here. If you have any more questions about how that works, feel free to drop them in the comments below. This is a different style of relay. Now with this relay, in order to energize it with power and ground, you would need some kind of a switch to switch that voltage or that ground so that this could output here what you input here. So say you just had a little switch, a little toggle switch, and you wanted to turn some lights on with it. Well, you would run ground or 12 volts through your little toggle switch to one of these two terminals. So if you sent 12 volts to this terminal, this would be ground all the time. This terminal here would be ground all the time. You would put 12 volts on one leg of your little switch, and then out of that switch, when you turned it on, you'd get 12 volts out of the other leg. So you would put that here. Then when you turn your switch on, it would energize this relay. You would have a good amount of current handling voltage here. So like a thicker gauge wire here, that would be from like the battery. Once you flipped your little switch on, it would send that voltage out of here. Okay, again, if you have more questions on how that works, drop me a comment. This style has the switch built into it already. So when you push this button in, it's going to do the switching. Okay, so if we supply this wire with our 12 volts and we ground this wire all the time, once I push the button in, I'm going to get voltage out of this blue wire. If the button is out, I'm going to get voltage out of this wire. So the red wire is the positive feed to the LED that's in the switch. So we're just going to tie these two together on the output. So when I push the switch on, I'm going to turn on my wakeboard tower lights and light up this LED in the front of the switch. Stay tuned and we'll get to work.
There's something in the air. There's something in the air. There's something in the air. There's something in the
Whew! Guys, we got tower speakers hooked up and tower lights hooked up. Check out the sound on these speakers. I'll put some epidemic sounds on for you. Holy crap. That's just 4 speakers, the 4 tower speakers. I still got 4 more speakers and a sub. After that's all done, I'll let you hear it again. But oh my gosh. So next time in the next video, we'll put the dash back together. I've got some serious work to do on that. It's all broken out behind there and none of the screws are going back in. So we'll do that. We'll place the switch, get everything all buttoned up nice. And we'll move on to the next thing. Thanks for watching. Till next time, peace, and I'm out.